Hello and welcome. In this video session, we will see some more examples of string operations in Python. Now let us open our program. In this program, we will see string operations such as slicing a string. We will demonstrate the immutable property of the string. We will see in operator and we will see comparing the string. Now the execution begins with underscore underscore name underscore underscore which is equal to the main string variable, and this jumps to the main definition. And here in the main definition, we have taken a string line 1 equal to, this is a sample text string. This is the string that we have taken, and the variable name is line 1. And here now we can slice the given string by using the numbers along with the square bracket. For example, here we can say the start index till the number of index we need. For example, here this slices the string into substring, and it gives from 0th index till the third index. So whatever the number is specified, minus one index will be taken into consideration. So here we get 0, 1, 2, 3. So these four sub characters are sliced and given to the user. Now let's execute this program and see the output. So we can see this after slicing the string, we are getting the substring. Now the same can be performed by omitting the first number. So if we are considering the index from 0, so we can omit the number 0 as well. So in this case, we have not given the first number. So by default, if no number is given in the first number before the same colon, then it is considered as 0th index. Here, these both are equivalent statements. So both have given the same output. Now let's see other example. In this case, we are slicing the string from second index till the 11th index. So second index is 0, 1, 2. From here, we will slice till the 11th index. So for example, these are the uh, sliced string that we have got. Now, let us consider the other forms of slicing. So in this case, after the colon, if we do not specify any number, then from the given index, it goes until the end of the string. So 2 here means 0, 1, 2. From here, the complete string is being sliced. Let's see this output here. We have got this output. The slice string is from the index specified until the end of the string. Now let us see the immutable property of a string. For example, here we have printed line 1 of 0. So here line 1 of 0 is t here, as we have seen in the previous video session. Now let us try to assign a new value to the first character. Let's enable this code here. So now we are trying to assign a new value to this character. So now let's see what is the result. Now let's run the program once again. So here we can see this will give a error if executed. So here we can see that a string object does not support item assignment. So here we are trying to assign a new value to the string, and this gives a error. So we can showcase that the string is immutable. That means we cannot change the value of the string. Now let us uncomment this again and run the same here. So now we are able to run it. So we cannot alter the given string. So the strings in Python are immutable. Now let us see the example of in operator in Python. So in operator is used to check if the given substring is present in the main string. So here the first string is the substring that needs to be checked in the main string. Here let us say line 1 has this string, and we are determining whether THIS is present in the string. So as a note, this is a case sensitive. So capital THIS is the case it looks for here. And here we can see that this is present in the string, and so it returns a true, and we can say that we will get the output one substring present, one substring present. So in is used to identify whether the given substring is present in the main string or not. Now let's say instead of capital T we have given small this. Now this looks for the substring in the given string. We can see that we have capital T his, but we do not have small t his. So this is not present in the given string. So it returns a false, and since it returns a false, this print is not printed. So print 2 is not printed here. We have got only first print. The second string, the second print is not shown on the output. Now let us see the comparison operator. So now let us say we have a string buff equal to sample, and here we can compare two strings by using equal to operator. Here we can compare by using buff equal to sample. So here we are checking whether the contents of buff is equal to the string sample. So in this case both are equal and it returns a true, and we get the first print. Comparison 1 returned a true. Comparison 1 returned a true. Now let us say we have a new string buff equal to Python, and we are checking if the string is equal to Linux. So here the buff is replaced by Python, and Python is equal to Linux is checked, and this returns a false, and we get the second print. Comparison to return false. Comparison to return false. So in Python we can do string comparison using double equal to symbol, and this will be one of the useful operator in our use case development. So here we have seen different operators such as slicing a string. This is the method used to slice a string. And then we have seen the immutable property of a string where the given string cannot be changed. And we have seen the in operator. In operator is used to find whether the substring is present within a given string. And then we have seen the comparison operator of a string. In the next video session, we will see some more examples of strings. Thank you.